yogurt panna cottas, a favorite of mine. But before we do so, I'm going to tell you about an amazing thing done by an organization based in Texas called Sea Turtle Inc. In 2021, a large cold front hit Texas, and so happened to the waters. And in those waters were some sea turtles, and these sea turtles were caught in the cold front. They were not able to move their flippers due to the freezing water. Sea Turtle Inc. took these turtles, and as many of them as they possibly could muster, along with some volunteers, and brought them to rehabilitation homes where they were kept and nurtured until they were ready to go back into the water. Sea Turtle Inc. has saved hundreds and hundreds of turtles, so really good job. Now, let's make some Panna Cottas. And as you know, today we're making strawberry and cream yogurt Panna Cottas. This recipe is from Donna Hay. She's an Australian chef. She has a book called Basics to Brilliance Kids. And I love this recipe, and as you see, there's so many good recipes in this book. Had to flag them all. I love this book. I've done this recipe many times, and today I'm going to show you guys how to make it. Here's what you're going to need. You're going to need gelatin. You're going to need vanilla extract, or how I'm using today, a very special thing called vanilla paste. It's way better than vanilla extract, and is a tip from Chef Kathy. You need 250 grams of strawberries. You need maple syrup, yogurt, and 1 cup of milk. Oops, I forgot to tell you guys, in a small bowl, you're gonna need 2 tablespoons of warm water, to which we're gonna add 1.5 teaspoons of gelatin. I'm stirring now the gelatin and the water together. So now you gotta set that mixture aside for 5 minutes, or until the gelatin is fully absorbed. So now what you wanna be doing is taking the green parts off of your strawberries and cutting them in half. See, you have to whistle a tune when you're cutting strawberries. So you want 1.5 cups of yogurt and put it in the blender along with the strawberries. So the yogurt has gone into the blender, so now it's raining strawberries. So now we're adding in our 2 teaspoons of fresh vanilla paste. Now adding in a 1/4 cup of maple syrup. Rich and creamy. The spaceship blend tech departs for Pluto. Its pod gets put onto its lid or whatever. Okay, here it goes. The pod to Pluto is departing with strawberry smoothies. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. It has departed! It's going to Pluto! Woo! This is what's called the smoothie dance. It's time for a taste test. Oh, wow! That is delicious! So our next step is to place the milk in a small saucepan over medium heat, stirring occasionally with a whisk for about 2 minutes or until little bubbles start to appear. Remove from the heat, add the gelatin mixture and whisk for about 1 minute or until totally combined. Welcome to potions class. You must now add the magic milk into your cauldron. What you want to do is whisk this for about 2 minutes or until bubbles start forming at the surface, but don't bring it to a boil. Now you want to add in your gelatin and water mixture together with the milk. Now you want to put the milk mixture in with the strawberry and yogurt mixture in the blender, and then you want to put the lid on and blend for 10 seconds. Okay, the capsule is launching in 10, 9, 8, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. There you go. I just can't shake what those guys did with the sea turtles. The things that people can do if they work together. Okay? Now you want to pour it into some bowls. Make sure you don't pour too much in one bowl. And if you still have a little bit more, you want to even it out between the 4 of them. Really? I had some left over because we're only making 4, so I made it into a little smoothie. So basically, a panna cotta is just a jellified smoothie. Pretty nice. So now after you've put all your stuff into your bowls or cups, you're gonna put them in the fridge for 2 to 3 hours. It's worth the to eat. Now, everyone, you may notice I have some toppings on top of mine. This is recommended. You can just put on a dollop of yogurt, a little bit of strawberry, optional, and a generous drizzling of maple syrup. You can eat this anytime, as it's just a jellified smoothie, really. You can eat it instead of a smoothie, as I sometimes just have one for breakfast. But it does also make a good dessert. Now, to actually. Oh man, these are superb panna cottas. Just everything's perfect. Just a drizzling of maple syrup, that perfect little yogurt on top, the strawberries. It looks great. It tastes great. It's all around a great food, and it's multi-purpose. Man, couldn't resist. This is Chef Daniel, signing off. And remember, if I can do it, you can do it.